Good morning! I snuck out this morning while everyone was still asleep so I could come out and have some fun and explore because I love the mountains. And so I figured I'd come out here and fly my drone to the top of that, or maybe even the top of that. You say, why? Because it's something tall and I want to see what's on the other side. Why else do you get drones? Just for fun. It's Reptile Gardens for all your reptile growing needs.
Now also, Alligator Wrestling 101, you're going to see me stick my hand in the water at various points. When I do this, I have to make sure that I'm grabbing that non-toothy end. Alright, so we did find ourselves a volunteer. If you didn't know it, this is actually how you guys walk an alligator. Now you might notice when I jumped on, I got my knees in his armpits, my hands on his neck. I just came up here and I quickly covered up his eyes like this. Doing that, it does seem to relax him. We're really not sure why it works. There are several theories though. My personal favorite theory is when you cover up their eyes, they can't see anything. They think they're dead. Okay, now we're going to go back to those jaws here because there's an incredible amount of closing force right there. In comparison, there's relatively no opening force, and I'll show you what I mean by that, all right? It's not that hard for me to go ahead, grab these jaws, and simply force it shut just like this. I'm not having to use a whole lot of pressure there. All right, come on, Ray. Come on, get the chicken. So you're gonna see he grabs that food right away. He's making that chewing motion. Now, that chew's not in the sense that you or I may know it. Basically what they're doing is they're better placing that food in their mouth to then swallow whole. Now when I say that, that is gonna include heavier objects, such as chicken bones here. They actually have high levels of acid in their stomach that will be used for the digestion of those things. But it's gonna take a little bit more time, and it's actually to their advantage.
Can we see your eagle? Oh, that one you want to do. Okay. What's your favorite game to play? His favorite game to play is peekaboo.
Sometimes on these hot days, he wants to be spoiled and have us help him a bit. You can fly, it's not that hot today. Hop on up. Or sit on the ground. Okay. Gotta love a live bird show. They do whatever they want. Hi. Where are you going? On a rock. Okay. Come on up here. Alright, I'll help you out. You know, it probably took more energy to run around my stage than it did to fly over there.
Yeah, but this one's not in a...
Not a glass cage.
I mean, he's right there. Oh, no. Sad thing is I don't see any difference.
Honestly, they come out of this hut here every morning, and then they just have free roam wherever they want in here.
Do they ever get like defensive around people at all? Or
Not usually. I mean, if they feel like it, they'll pull their head into the shell, or they'll make their way into the pool there if they're feeling a little too crowded.
Said he's 51. These are from a scuffle a couple years ago with another tortoise.
What's it feel like? Squishy.
Kind is this? This is a cinnamon ball python.
So up next we are doing the Cosmos Mystery Tour. Cosmos is a place where things are a little more weird than normal. Balls roll up hills, buildings don't stand straight even though they look like they are, so looking forward to that. Let's go inside.
3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, closer that time. Please keep your arms straight out. One last time, I want everyone to watch how it falls. Now 3, 2, 1, go. Thank you very much.
On here? Oh, on this one? I don't know.
Recording. Yeah, it's hard to stand up. What are you doing?
I'm getting you the whole body.
So that was pretty fun. It's only $11 I think for adults, so definitely worth the time and lots of fun. They said please don't post a lot of this on social media, so I only showed you a couple snippets. But if you get the chance and have a little time, I think we were in there for 45 minutes. It was worth $11, so definitely check out the Cosmos Mystery Area. It's Bear Country time! Bear Country is a well-laid out drive-through zoo featuring 20 different species of wildlife from North America, where it's just your car between you and the animals. Filling 200 acres, the park is divided up into different sections with gates and cattle guards between the different areas to keep the animals from mingling. You have ample chances along the 3-mile route to see the animals as you wind your way through the different areas. For any of the non-predator sections, you can roll your windows down, so bring along your telephoto lens and you'll be able to get some amazing shots that don't look like they were taken in a zoo.
Well, dang it. I was taking my laps.
A couple of mountain lions, they just heard the keeper come in. Sorry, mountain lion cubs. Bear Country was created by a dentist named Doc Casey and his wife Pauline in 1972. In 1992, after 30 years of practicing dentistry, Doc retired in order to focus solely on the wildlife park. Today, Bear Country is still owned and operated by Pauline and 3 of their children. Bear Country is home to the largest collection of privately owned black bears in the world. I'm gonna put this on like celebrity videos, Yogi Gone Wild. Hey, boo boo. Oh God. There's even a baby land where you can see smaller animals and those under a year old. I like how the trees are just not really growing, they just stick them in there. That's going to do it for this time. You know the routine by now. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. It helps other people find it. And subscribe so you don't miss the next episode where we finally get to see the explosions on Crazy Horse, take a steam-powered train ride through the mountains, and ride a speeding cart down at Rushmore Tramway. Until next time, I'm doing what I love. Keep doing what you love. Thanks for watching.